Hello everyone, my name is Eric from Sector5. Today we're going to show you how to reinstall the operating system. Sometimes your operating system will have a catastrophic failure, or the apps on the Chromebook will get mixed up and the software will not like it. And sometimes the operating system starts up this way. It's saying it's missing an operating system. So we're going to show you how to manually reinstall the operating system. Sometimes this is required for updates. Updates don't always go as planned, and sometimes that can happen. So it's a very easy procedure. All we do is hold escape, the refresh button, and hit power. Once we do that, this screen will come up. It gives you all the information you need. It says, for help, visit this particular website from Google, and it gives you the model number. This particular model is right here. You're going to need all of this stuff, so make sure that you write it down. You need another computer in order to go and download this, preferably a Windows, or you need Chrome installed on that computer. So we're going to show you how that's done. You're also going to need a 4 GB SD card or a 4 GB USB. So either one of those will work just well. Open up our Google Chrome web browser, and it has to be in its normal window. You cannot open it in incognito or anything like that. It has to be in a normal window. And we go to the URL that the Chromebook tells us to, and this is on a separate computer. Remember, it has to be in a Chrome browser, so if you don't have Chrome, make sure that you install it on the computer that you are using, and make sure that you have that SD card or USB, and it has to be a minimum of 4 GB. Okay, so make sure that you have that handy. We're going to go ahead and put that URL in that Google told us to, and we come to this type of page. Okay, it is basically saying the Chrome OS is missing or damaged, error. Now, it's very important that if you haven't been able to back up your files, that you back up them. If you can't, you have to talk to an IT professional to see if they can get that stuff off for you. Now, we're going to go to this what you need to do, and basically you need to install the recovery app. Okay, now we want to click on that. It says install the recovery app, and that's going to be installed on the computer that you are right now. Okay, I already have it installed on this particular computer that I'm using, but if you don't, it will take you, and basically you just click install. It will install it onto that computer. Now afterwards, just go back to that URL again, double click, and you can click launch app. Now once that is launched, it basically comes to this screen, and all you have to do is just follow the instructions. Follow the instructions. They make it very easy, and all you have to do is follow what they say. So all you have to do is get started, and now you want to type in the serial number, basically, that they had told you what the Chromebook was. Now ours was Mighty. I think it was D25 Q2K A4A A6A A25. Okay, this is the exact model match, and so we're gonna use that to install. Just click continue, and we select which one we want. We want to make sure that that's your correct card. I have a SD card that I have installed in my computer, so I'll go ahead and click continue. I don't want it to install onto the wrong drive, so make sure, because it will basically remove what's on that drive. So if you have an external hard drive or something like that, don't install it on there. Make sure you install it onto your USB or SD card. And then just keep following the bouncing ball. It says, okay, all data and partitions on the recovery media will be deleted. Make sure that you have the correct SD card or USB stick selected. That's very important because it will delete everything. And remember, we just create now, and we'll go through. It'll probably go through, I would say, about 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, so it is finally done. It says success. Your recovery media is ready. All we have to do is just click done and then pull the SD card or USB stick out of your computer safely by unmounting it, and then you can go ahead and put it into your Chromebook. Once we have that installed onto the SD card, I chose an SD card because it sometimes seems like it's a little bit quicker, but a USB can work just fine. All we do is now, when we see this screen, all we do is just insert the USB or the SD card. Now make sure it is plugged in or you have a full charge on your battery, because this will take a little while. This is going to probably take anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes, sometimes a little bit quicker, but that's how long it takes. It's going to be reinstalling the operating system to the newest version that you downloaded on your Windows computer or the computer that you had Chrome on. Once the operating system is installed, it will say system recovery is complete. Please remove the recovery media and your computer will restart. All you have to do is pull out the card and the computer will restart itself.